Hello, good evening students. Today we have to see another concept, that is torque, definition of torque, derivation of torque and some problems on torque. It is very important in DC motor for 8 marks. The torque is a very important concept in DC motor. So it is defined as the turning moment or twisting moment of a force about an axis of a wheel, which is known as torque. Once again, the turning moment or twisting moment of a force about an axis of wheel is known as torque. Later on, wheel is known as armature, rotating part. It is measured by the product of force and radius at which this force acts. For example, consider a wheel which is rotating at n revolutions per minute, n rpm in clockwise direction. Let r is the radius of wheel. F is the force which acts on circumferential or perpendicular to that axis of wheel. Hence, torque is perpendicular distance into force. Perpendicular distance into force. In this case, r is your perpendicular distance from wheel, from axis. F is the force. F is the force in newtons. R is in meters. The torque equal to F into R. Unit is Newton meter. Understand? This is for 2 marks. Later on, derive an expression for torque in a motor. Derive an expression for torque in a motor. Let TA be the torque developed by the motor, armature in Newton meter. N is the speed of armature in revolutions per second. Capital N is in revolutions per minute. Small n, it represents revolutions per second. Hence, angular velocity should be equal to 2 phi n radians per second. Power developed equal to torque into angular velocity. Hence, TA is the torque, 2 phi n is the angular velocity. You develop the equation 1, it is in watts. The electrical power converted into mechanical power in the armature, it is given by EB into IA. EB into IA, it gives equation 2. Both equation represents the electrical power. Both equations 1 and 2 represents electrical power developed in armature in watts. Hence, by equating these two equations, TA into 2 phi n equal to EB into IA. Already we are knowing EB is the back EMF. Back EMF equal to phi ZN into P by A, because n, small n, it is in revolutions per second. Don't confuse. If you are taking capital N, it may be in revolutions per minute. In this derivation, speed of the machine or armature, n should be in revolutions per second. Hence, equate. Finally, we are getting, you remember equation 4 or equation 5. Torque equal to phi ZIA divided by 2 phi into P by A, where P is the number of poles, A is the number of parallel paths. Or you can simplify, you can put the torque equal to 0.159 phi ZIA into P by A. You remember already in EMF equation, P by A, these three things you remember, phi ZIA, total 5 things. This derivation gives 7 to 8 marks. Derive an expression for torque developed in motor. Remember this equation to calculate the problem. Now we can take one problem. Determine the total torque of a 250 volts 4 pole DC shunt motor with lap connected, accommodating 60 slots, each slot containing 20 conductors. The armature current is 50 ampere and flux per pole is 23 milliweber. You draw the diagram of DC shunt motor. You understand first type of motor is DC shunt motor. You write down the supply voltage, that is 250 volts. Number of poles 4. Number of slots is given. Conductors in one slot is given. Hence total armature conductors should be equal to number of slots into conductor per slot. Z you calculate. Now what is the problem given? The armature current, motor draws the armature current, means Ia is directly given. Understand the problem. Motor draws the armature current, directly given, not supply current. Hence Ia equal to 50 ampere. It is lap connected. Number of parallel paths equal to 4. Directly you come there. Already we derived the equation that you write down torque TA equal to 0.159 flux Z Ia into P by A Newton meter. Only one important thing is flux should be in Webers. You remember, it is only very dangerous factor. Flux should be in Webers, 22 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Rest of the things are same. You calculate torque is 219.5 Newton meter. The second problem, now you can see there. In this problem, again you write down the DC shunt motor only. Armature resistance is given, field resistance is given. The field resistance, it is also marked as RF, or it may be also RSH. No confusion. RF is also field resistance, RSH is also field resistance. You write down all the given things. Now in this problem, total current drawn by the motor is given. Total current is 22.5 ampere is given. Hence it is our duty, we have to calculate ISH, then we have to go for armature current. Mainly we require armature current. Okay. Then motor is wave connected. Number of parallel paths A equal to 2. Hence you first to calculate the shunt field current. V by RF. V is given 250 volts. RF is given 125. Field current is 2 ampere. After knowing the ISH, come for the armature current. Ia equal to I minus ISH, 22.5 minus 2, 20.5 ampere. After knowing the armature current, go for the calculation of back EMF. EB equal to V minus IaRa. So we are finally getting 239.75 volts. Once you calculate the back EMF, next it is asked to calculate the speed of the motor. You are knowing the back EMF. Back EMF is also equal to phi ZN divided by 60 into P by A. Hence, from using that equation, N you calculate. Substitute all the values. We are going to get L199 RPM. Next, torque you calculate. You write down the equation. Substitute all the values. So we are going to get 39.1 Newton meter. Lastly, power developed in armature, that is voltage into current. Voltage is or induced EMF, back EMF. Voltage is EB in the armature, current in the armature is IA, power developed in armature. Lastly, number 4, torque is asked. To calculate the torque equal to 0.159 phi ZIA into P by A Newton meters. All direct substitution. Flux, again it is milliweber, convert into Webers, 22 into 10 to the power of minus 3. All things are given directly. The given problem, it may be lap winding. Hence, number of parallel paths equal to number of poles. Hence, torque equal to 18.9 newtons per meter. This problem is asked number of times in internal assessment of BLD Engineering College and VTU, number of times.